What's up guys, check out this mini label printer. So it's a very easy portable label printer and it connects to your phone. So it connects to Android and iPhone, which makes it easy to use. It comes with the app that you can download. It gives you if you double tap this, a QR code's actually gonna come out to generate where you get that app from. To cut off the label, you just push up this button and it cuts it off like that. And then you have your label right here. Obviously we just have the QR code, but you could connect it to your phone and print whatever label you want to print. It connects to USB to charge it. At the bottom right here, you can see it's charged with that blue light at the bottom. It's a nice slick design. If you need to refill the tape, you just click this button at the top to open it, and then you could refill the tape there.
The printer, what you need to do is you can download the application, and here's the application. If you guys can see, we're going to download it, iLabel. All right, we're going to install it, we're going to set it up, and we're going to use the Bluetooth to connect to the actual label maker. All right, so we're turning it on. It's going to start looking for the Bluetooth, and we're going to say scan for this item. You guys can see I found the item already, and it's syncing up. We're going to do a quick editing, and we're going to go ahead and create a label here. So we're going to test it out. We're just going to say Frank. All right, simple. Say done, and then we're gonna print it. Right, and look at this. It's gonna send to the actual confirm. You want one label. You could change the size of it. Hit confirm, and this is gonna print. They give you plenty of options to take a look at it, and there it is. If you guys can see, I created the label. All you gotta do is after you create a label underneath, cut it out, and that's it. Labels created.